In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Bluebeam Studio session. If you've been collaborating in Bluebeam Revu and you're ready to step out of a live session, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it, along with a few helpful tips so nothing catches you by surprise. First, open Bluebeam Revu and make sure you're actually inside a studio session. Sessions are the real-time collaboration spaces where multiple people can add markups to PDFs simultaneously. You'll know you're in one if you can see the session name, a list of documents and attendees in the studio area, and live updates to markups as others work. If you only see a project file list without real-time markup activity, that's a studio project, which is different from a session. Next, bring the studio interface into view. Look for the Studio tab or the Studio panel on the side of your workspace. Depending on your layout and version of Revu, it may appear as a panel on the left or right, typically with an icon that looks like a small building. Clicking that icon toggles the studio panel open or closed. If your panels are collapsed, hover to reveal them, then pin the panel if you want it to stay visible while you work. Within the studio panel, confirm that you're on the session section, not projects, so you're looking at the live collaboration area. Now, with the studio panel visible and your active session selected, find the Leave Session button. This control is usually located near the bottom of the studio panel or alongside the session name and settings. Click Leave Session. That's it. Revu will disconnect you from the live session. A couple of notes to keep things smooth. Leaving a session ends your live connection, but your markups remain in the session for other participants to see. If your version of Revu displays a confirmation message, just read it so you understand what will happen next, especially if you've been working offline or had pending changes. If you're participating in multiple sessions, double check that you're leaving the intended one by confirming the session name in the panel before you click. And remember, leaving doesn't delete anything or lock you out permanently. You can rejoin later if you have access to the session. That's the entire process. Confirm you're in a session, open the studio panel, and click Leave Session. With these steps and tips, you can exit confidently without disrupting your work or your team's progress.